Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the Koo app, which is the latest sensation and is in the news since a couple of days. So Indian government has announced that Koo app will be the India's official social media platform, and every small information related to government will appear on the Koo app first before appearing on other platforms and media. So what actually this Koo app is? So before knowing about what this Koo app is and what actually the features it is providing. So we need to know like why this Koo app has been made the India's official social media app. So the main reason is because of the clash between Indian government and the Twitter. So there are some indifferences between Indian government and the Twitter since couple of months. So there are many reasons for that, and one of the primary reason is the protest that is taking place in the India because of this new former laws. So Indian government asked Twitter to ban a few accounts like who are supporting farmers and who are against the government. So Indian government asked Twitter to do the same, and Twitter refuses to ban those accounts. So because initially they refused and later they agreed to ban few people, but later they got some differences. So that is the reason why Indian government is not happy with the Twitter, and there are sources suggesting that Indian government is planning to ban Twitter in the coming days. So and they are in search for a perfect replacement of Twitter, and that is where the Koo app comes. So Koo app is a made in India app, so which is built under Atmanirbhar Bharat, is created by the Indian government, which has launched a year back. So what actually this Koo app is? It is a micro blogging platform which is similar to Twitter. So the logo of the Koo app is yellow chick, so which resembles the blue and white logo of Twitter. So it looks exactly same apart from this color. So and the specialty of this Koo app is it is available in 7 different languages apart from English. So people can tweet in English as well as other 7 local languages in India. So this is a special feature that Koo app is providing. So also there are some things like Indian government is directly going to communicate using this Koo app. So before communicating to news channels and media. So this is what the advantage that Koo app is providing. And one more thing, when like this news is coming on the way, like there are nearly 10 lakh downloads of this Koo app since past 5 days. So also like the government officials stated that we need this Koo app not to be used by 1% of Indians. We need it to be used by 100% of Indians. This is a slogan that they have raised while announcing the news of this Koo app. So whether to use or not, it completely depends on you. Again, like it was being announced by government, so we don't know like what the future of this app is. But like these things are making people messy, right? Because the differences with Twitter, and some are supporting the government and some are protesting against the government. And while among all these chaos, like government is announcing that like we are coming out with a new social media app, and we want everyone to use this app as an official social media app of the country. So we don't know like what the future will shape these things out. But yeah, let's hope that at least this Koo app will really helpful to all the Indians because it is made in India. And regarding that decision that were taken by government against Twitter and all those things, I think it is up to them. But yeah, the main thing is Koo app is the latest sensation and it is completely made in India app. So if it really gets popular and it really meets the expectations that was set by Twitter, then it is ultimately a good move because we can say that like our country has an app, so which is quite similar to the leading social media giant like Twitter. So it's a good thing. And comment your opinions on this Koo app. So if you have already used it, tell your review on that. And like if you haven't used it, you can download from the Play Store itself. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want others to know about this particular issue of government versus Twitter and also this Koo app, please share this video. And for the videos, please subscribe to my channel. So also if you are a new visitor to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching this video.